Good day everyone, it's Edward Doy from EMD Wheels, and today meron tayong release na Honda PRV 1.5DX and Premium Mobile siya. So yung kliyente natin from North Caloocan pa sila, so medyo malapit lang yun. So okay naman na-prepare na natin yung unit, and then nakapag-sign na sila and nakapag-payment na sila yesterday. So today is Sunday, so nakapag-release tayo, basta nakaprepare naman na lahat. Kung yun talaga yung pinaka-free day nyo is Sunday, pwede naman siya, basta mape-prepare na natin lahat ng documents and yung payment settled na. So yung kliyente kahapon, may release din ako kahapon kasi nani Honda City and isang Honda HRV. So after kung ma-release yung dalawang yun, dumating sila to settle the down payment. So yun, panoorin nyo ito, yung release natin, papakita ko sa inyo yung unit natin, sobrang ganda. So wala lang siyang tinta, so yung tint kasi magpapaceramic tint yung kliyente sa labas. So yun guys, samahan nyo kami and check na natin yung unit.
My cousin's proud in Jamaica. These are fruits from my labor. I don't owe no one favors. This is hard work and patience. That's the formula for greatness. It ain't no fun if it's painless. Play this song when they're hating. Remind yourself that you made it. So don't give up. It gets better, just trust. You never know if you stop. So every day you wake up, give all you got, cause we don't know when it's up. So don't give up.
Don't let them bring you down. Don't let them bring you down.
So don't give up.
Don't let them bring you down. Don't let
PRV 1.5DX Premium Mobile sa Honda Premium.
You can pay the debt and your mom and pain can't take a step. No money left, so every day she's stressed. While you still there trying to manifest, still.
Thank you po.
So I learned the hard way, never expect, cause dreams don't pay the bills, and this music don't make mama heal. And I got a few followers now, but they don't really know how I feel. What you know about being dead broke, couldn't buy fuel, but I got drive out of bedroom on a tour plane.